Good day to all. I'm Gohjunboon from Computer Networks and Security. Today I'm gonna explain about my final project. And my project title is Campus Cruiser, a car booking service for UTM students. And my supervisor is Mr. Firoz. Now let's go through the content of this video, which including first one introduction, and the second one literature review, third one system development methodology, the fourth one requirement analysis and design, and the last one conclusion. Next is the problem breakdown. Currently, UTN only provides students with the bus service for them to travel around the campus. But if students want to go to the outside of the campus, they need to use their mobile application to book for a ride. And sometimes it may costly for students because usually the price to book a ride will be higher during the peak hour. Second, when students book for a ride, sometimes they will be wait for a long time because there are no driver to respond their booking. And third one is the time consuming. The process to booking a ride is quite time consuming because students need to wait the driver for outside to come inside the campus to take them. And the last one is make confusing. Sometimes students may confuse about which car the driver drive to take them because they don't know the details of the car, like the car plate, car number, of any other car features. Next, the project aim. This project aims to address the challenge faced by students in accessing affordable and convenient transportation options on campus by allowing them to view car details, view driver availability, and set the price for a ride. Additionally, the project objectives including to conduct a comprehensive study of existing car booking platforms to understand key features, user interface designs, and functionalities that cater to similar markets. Second, to design a mobile application that is intuitive and easy to navigate for all students, ensuring that it addresses the collected user requirements and enhance user experience. And last one is to perform true functional testing to ensure all features operate according to specification and without bugs. Next, the scope of the project including the project involves developing a mobile application that initially focuses on UTM students who require transportation to designated destinations. Secondly, this project allows students to view the driver availability and also car details. Lastly, this system allows students to set a price for the ride, get a lower price and efficient transportation solution within the UTM community. Next is current system analysis. Usually, when students want to travel outside of the UTM campus, they will choose the Kumpu to book for their ride because it is more economically for them. And what should be done by them is they need to use their mobile application to book for a ride, and then they should wait for the driver to accept their request. After that, they need to wait the driver at the specific shelter. And also, there is a limitation for the location, which means students can only choose to drop off at the specific location. Next, comparison between existing system with Campus Cruiser. As you can see, Campus Cruiser including the feature that most of the system do not have, which are driver availability status, view car details, and also negotiable pricing. Next, system development methodology. In this project, Agile methodology is chosen because it allows for quick strategy adjustments without disrupting project flow. In the initial phase of the Agile development lifecycle, ideation begins with stakeholder defining the objectives, and scope of Camper Cruiser. And the second stage is development. Development. System design is detailed through the creation of use case diagrams, sequence diagrams, and activity diagrams. Database architecture is solidified with an entity relationships diagram, and data dictionary and interface design is completed to provide a visual representation of the system. And the forward stage is testing. Before the product release, the Agile team conducts thorough testing to ensure all functionalities are fully operational, including code cleanliness, bug fixes, and trial runs. This phase also incorporates continued improvement based on user feedback alongside training users and clients on software usage. And once the app is ready for release, the Agile team deploys it to the cloud or an on-premise servers. Once deployed, the product is lively and accessible to customers. And lastly, now the software is completely deployed and accessible by the customer. So the product comes into the maintenance phase. Ongoing maintenance helps squash bugs and maintain functionality. However, camper cruisers will not have maintenance phase. Next, technology used in campus cruiser including Flutter. It seamlessly integrates with various Google services such as Firebase, Google Apps, Google Play, and Google Maps. This integration streamlines development and allows developers to reach a wider audience. And the second one is Node.js. It is a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to be run on the server side. Also the MongoDB. Using MongoDB for car booking system provide flexibility, scalability, and performance benefits. Next, minimum hardware and software requirements. The user should have at least 200 Hz CPU, Android with 6.0 or above version. Also the Google Play Store and the RAM of 32 megabyte. Next, the survey found results show that more of the students of UTM agree that carpooling culture should be advocated on the UTM campus. And also they feel that it is important the feature of campus cruiser. Next, the use case diagram. The use case diagram show that the students is allowed to make a booking, cancel a booking, and view the driver availability, view car details, and so on. Next, the class diagram show that the users class inherits student class and driver class. Additionally, payment class also inherits credit card class. Besides, the red driver class will allow users to rate driver after a trip. This class will store rating and feedback specific to driver, helping maintain the quality of service by collecting user reviews. Moreover, a driver can be associated with multiple car objects and multiple booking records. This many-to-many relationships is represented by lines connecting the driver with both car and booking. Next, system architecture. In this case, MVC, Model View Control Architecture, will be implemented in the campus cruiser. The model represents the data and business logic of the application. It handles data storage, retrieval, and manipulation. And Node.js models represent the data and handle data storage and retrieval. Additionally, the view is responsible for displaying the data to the user and capturing user input. Also, Flutter UI displays a list of available cars and captures user input for booking a car. And lastly, the controller handles the user input, update the model. Next, database. The ELC of Camper Cruiser shows that activity history table has foreign keys of booking ID from booking table, user ID from user table, and payment ID from payment table, and driver ID from driver table as they have relationships from the class diagram as so. Next, interface design. Basically, students can view the driver availability and throw the indicator light. The green color indicated that indicate that driver is available, and the red color indicate the driver is offline. Also, after the students select the driver, they will view their car details. And next will be the payment page. In conclusion, the objective to conduct a comprehensive study of existing car booking platform is achieved in order to understand key feature, user interface, design, and functionalities that cater to similar market. And also, the objective to design a mobile application that is intuitive and easy to navigate for all students have shown in the Figma diagram. That's all from me. Thank you.